How to fix Zoom can't make co-host problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, if you're facing this kind of problem in Zoom Cloud meeting, if you want to make someone as co-host, okay, but guys, if you cannot make co-host, then how you can solve this problem? In this video we are going to discuss about it. So guys, this problem is basically occurred because of some bugs, okay, which entered in your Zoom app. That's why we face this kind of problem. So if you're also facing the same problem, then guys, watch this video. Okay, I'll show you the solution, and from that solution you can easily fix the problem. Okay, but guys, I wanted to show you how to make a cost big, but I don't have uh, participants right now. Okay, I don't have participants right now, but guys, I'll try to show you all the solutions, okay, which can definitely solve your problem. And guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's begin the tutorial. So at first guys, what we need to do is, okay, we have to go to our Play Store and try to update your application. Updating application is most important. This will fix the bugs problems. Okay, bugs problem will get fixes and you will get the latest features. Now go to setting, and then you have to go to apps, and after that you have to go to manage app. So here you may find manage app, install app, or app manager. Okay, you have to go to app manager, and then guys, what you need to do is you have to find out your Zoom. Okay, just scroll down and go to Zoom, and then you have to force stop the application, and then you have to clear the data of your application. Okay, so after clearing the data, go to app permissions, allow all the permissions, and after allowing all the permissions you need to go back. Okay, restart your device and go back to Zoom, and your problem will be solved by now. So I'll start a meeting now. Okay, and I'll try to invite uh, in one of my phone. Okay, I'll try to how to make a host. So we'll invite some participant. So click on the invite, copy link. Okay, link has been copied. So now we have to go to our WhatsApp. Okay, so here let's paste this. Okay, so we have I'm trying to paste that link. Okay, so it is done. So now let's go to Zoom again, and we'll wait there for the participant. Okay, let's go to Zoom. So guys, as you can see, okay, participants is joining up. So click on the admit and you will get a participant. Okay, so joining, you have to wait guys, because still it's joining. So guys, as you can see, okay, participant has already joined. So okay, I'll first open up the microphone. So the thing is now, so first, okay, so guys, now what you have to do here is go to participant, and then guys, to whom you want to give a host, you have to click on that profile. Okay, first tell them you are going to make them a host, and click on their profile. Okay, go to participants, click on their profile, and here what you have to do is okay, you have to click here, make host. Okay, make host. So you have to click here, and then guys, you can see, do you want to change the host to this name? So you have to click OK. So now the host has been shifted to this participant. Okay, that's it. So this is how you can make a host to someone. Okay, so if you don't want to host yourself, I mean, if you don't want to be a host, or if you want to give host to someone, then guys, you can simply do this process. Okay, so as you can see, I have left a meeting, but still meeting is going on. Okay, still meeting is going on because I have give my host to someone else, so now they can manage it. Okay, so that's why we try to give host someone to other person also. So this is how you can solve the problem. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.